Mechatron Robotics presents Junior Bot Advanced Kit. Get programmable controller, sensors, and metal parts to build creative robots. Build 40 plus manual controlled and autonomous robots. Step-by-step video tutorials are always provided by us. Build robots like color identifier, crazy car, robotic arm, line follower, drawing bot, garbage collector, sweeper bot, four-wheel drive, crane bot. Use block-based programming to control your bots. Control them using mobile applications, the best platform to improve your skills like creativity, logical thinking, problem solving, critical thinking, decision making, and many more. Happy learning!